I'm just saying. Chauncey Billups, salute to you, my brother. I think you're going to make a hell of a coach. You was my teammate for a short period of time. It seemed like you was a natural born leader. I see why men listening to your guidance, especially on the court and off the court, because guys came to you for advice. So I don't understand why. I do understand why they talking about you like this. Brother Damian Lillard, don't let them use you to push an agenda. Don't leave and then have your brother out there by himself, not by himself, because I don't want to disrespect any of these other players. But what they trying to do is make an agenda so you can leave, so that way Chauncey Billups don't have a full deck of cards. Because with you, my brother, he got a full goddamn deck. And I believe he can guide you in a way that can help you. He's done what you're trying to do, which is win a championship. And I think they know that. He know how to add a few pieces in. He's played with Ben Wallace. He know how to add pieces into the puzzle and what would make a championship team. So if I was you, my brother, I would just get quiet and stay out of it and just play ball. You did the right thing by wanting Chauncey Billups there. Ain't nobody tell you about no case prior to you making your decision, did they? And Chauncey Billups done won championships and all that. And then it was an alleged case. He's moved on with his life. He has a family. You haven't heard anything else about anything from Mr. Billups but Big Shot. That's all you ever heard. Big Shot Billups. Now give him a shot. Please give him a shot, Mr. Lillard. I think you can win the championship. Tell you. Just think about it. They know what they're doing. Every time it's a black player or a black man trying to get in spaces that they don't believe we belong, whether you have the money or not, it seems like y'all want to talk about this system. I think it's more of a classism thing. They don't think you deserve it. They love you at a certain level. Hell, as long as they can pat you across the top of your head, they'll treat you like the best thing since sliced bread. So I don't know if it's all racist. They'll be your best friend. But the moment you're doing what they do or surpass what they're doing, and this is not all white folks, this is some. They really believe it in their heart that you got a place in a lane to be in. And they believe that about some of their own. So that's why I say it's not some white people. I mean, not all white people. It's some. Because it's white people that know what I'm talking about. Because they flat out tell it to them. Your trailer park trash. Them white people don't hold back when it come to each other now. They'll tell them what place they think they're in. And they wish they can tell you what place they think you in. They just got to get black people to do it. They just got to get black people like Stephen A. You guys we've created a word called racism that stops the conversation. It don't stop the behavior that they do. Because you can call them racist all you want. They still whipping our ass in the street, shooting us down. They still doing whatever the fuck they want to do to us. They're just not using that word that y'all like to stop the conversation with. But you haven't done shit about it. So they get people like Stephen A., Rob Parker, fake ass DL Hughley, nigga that look like he steal cats and shit. This nigga look like a cat burglar. Look at a creepy little motherfucker. Look like you go on one date with that motherfucker and he feel like you his wife. Oh yeah, she like me. Yeah. This ain't gonna happen what happened the last time. I know them tall motherfuckers, nigga. She go, oh shit, Drake in town too? Oh, goddamn. You just a worrisome bastard. That's why they don't like you like that, boy. You worried too goddamn much. I'm making assessments about you. I don't know you. I think you worry a lot. Since we all just gonna look at somebody and just think we know them, I would more rather come up to you and shake your hand and say, hey, how you doing? What's up with you? Nigga, let's go get a beer. Let me let you talk for a minute. Then I can figure you out. See, you some assumption bitches. You niggas get paid to give your assumptions and your fake ass opinions and say it like fact. And then you'll put a doctor or a degree in front of it so somebody supposed to believe your dumb ass. Or you will act like you're down with a cause so you can be more personable and closer to people. Bitch, you sound stupid. If anybody listen to you motherfuckers talk long enough, they can tell you niggas ain't connected to nothing. The shit you guys get up there and say on TV is crazy. But I just hope brother Damian Lillard don't leave. And I hope Chauncey Billups get a chance to show you how great he's been his whole entire damn life. You guys know how hard it is to get to the NBA. And you got these punk ass commentators talking like that's just, you could just walk off the street and do it. Talking down on these guys like I wouldn't give a fuck. The last guy on the bench to hold on that job, that's the hardest working son of a bitch that don't even get in the game. That guy, the last guy on the bench, go look at any last guy on the bench and ask the coach about him. I guarantee you the coach, that's one of the favorite guys on the team. And he's helping his family. And he don't get in no games. And he probably the one on the end of the bench with the best energy, the best attitude, ain't disrespecting or talking bad about nobody. But that is the hardest working motherfucker on the team. That's the motherfucker that go early. That's the motherfucker that stay late. Missing practices with their son because they know they sacrificing for this opportunity. Because you never know when that end of the bench line get cut. But you can take that job and that resume and you can go overseas or whatever and still make money. Those guys are the hardest working motherfuckers on the team. And you got guys that's talking shit about people that actually get in the game, that actually last for years, that's actually putting their life on the line. Because this shit mentally, the way you guys are talking about Ben Simmons, y'all don't get it. You don't know what this guy going through. And everybody just piling on. Get a kid a break. Just give him a fucking second. Leave his name out your mouth for 1-2 days so he could just walk around and he don't got to turn on TV, hear shit about his name for just 1-2 days. Since you love each other so much. Just get a man 2 days and you stop fucking with him. Since all of our life so great. And then we'll see what we had to do then. If we ain't just talking shit about athletes and fucking so-called celebrities. It seems like the world is shut down if you can't dissect people's life, lie on them, and fuck up their whole goddamn real life because it make you feel better. People can walk up to me. I'm tangible. Shout out to them young brothers that walked up to me, and I was in Perimeter Mall yesterday getting my son something for his birthday. And like I said, I love the respect and love that the young generation are starting to see. The young generation, those are our future. Those are young, strong-looking motherfucker. He like, man, shout out to you, man. Can I get a picture? I'm like, yeah, hell yeah. Fucking right. Y'all got mamas too. His mama's cooking this shit going all over. These young cats pick it up on this shit. They tired of being talked about, disrespected, and left out like they ain't shit. These young boys got great ideals and great skill. Look, I can give my son an iPad. He do all kinds. I be like, what the? Looking at the little nigga, like, God damn. How the hell you found that? I know some of you parents feel like that too. What the fuck? How the hell you get this computer to do that? I bought this big ass computer. I can't work none of this shit. Motherfucker coming here, daddy. Yeah, see, you can do this. Yeah, you know, looking at me. Mm-hmm. Yeah, look at this, what I'm doing. How the fuck can I keep up with that, boy? Slow down about 10 minutes. Shit, slow down about 5 to 10 minutes or something. Shit, you going too damn fast. That shit is intimidating. I know why you adult scared of your kid. Cause shit, when he get to getting like that, man, let me get the fuck on. You ain't finna make me feel old. Let me get the fuck on. I go in there to do some shit he can't do. Shit. Adults, we gotta stop being scared of these kids. These kids some bad motherfuckers. And yeah, I think some people done figured out how good these kids are, and that's why they keeping them away from us. I'm telling you, these kids are some bad motherfuckers. I'm telling you. So we got to start as parents letting our kids little light shine to the forefront without other people telling us about our children and what they can and can't do and what they do or don't need. These are our children. And they don't belong to anybody else. These are our children. So y'all have a blessed day. I got to go out here and get this car clean. Y'all have a good one. Trying to get rid of my dad bod, so I'm back to eating a lot of fruit again, drinking a lot of water. But the media is starting to become afraid of us, y'all. They attacking everybody that kind of agree with me, everybody that's making videos with me. That's crazy. I thought it was all inclusive.